In this video, I will explain how you can create a contact manually without the B2Brouter directory. Contacts can be any customer or supplier. To create this customer or supplier, we've got to go to the contact section that you can find in the top main menu. From here, we're going to go to Add Contact. Here, as you can see, we have got to go through 4 steps to create the contact. In the first step, we've got to select the country that our contact is from. For this case, we're going to select Belgium, and you can use a drop-down menu or a search bar. Now, we've got to put in the company ID. In this case, we've got the TVA number. If we didn't, we could use another identifier by selecting this option. And now we go to Validate and Continue. Step 2 is the fiscal data, so we've got to put the company name and the address. And once you've put in all of the information that you've got, you can go to Continue. In step 3, we are going to set up how we want to send the invoices to our customer. As you can see, there are a few different options. The first one is using our app, through the platform. So it will send an email with a link to the document and inside the app itself. The second option is just email with the attached document. And as you can see here, we can choose different formats for the invoice itself. The third option, which is the one that we'll end up selecting, is open networks. So here are all of the public administrations and the B2B network, which is the European network for sending invoices. So as you can see here, we can choose from all of the different networks of the different countries. In this case, we'll end up choosing this one. Then we've got the private network, which is also a network that's already set up, but for private companies. And the final option, which is if you don't want to send it from B2Brouter and you just want to download it. So you can download the document and then send it via another method. Now, as I said, we are going to select Open Network and go to B2B. In this case, the ID of our customer is going to be the KPOCB, and we're going to put in the number. As you can see, when you've put the number in, there's a validation that this customer can receive invoices via B2B. And then we're going to continue. Now, the final step is the payment method of how we want to get paid for this invoice. In this case, I'm just going to select cash, but there are all of these different options. And now, to finish creating the contact, we'll go to Save. As you can see in this case, as it's the first contact that we've created, it prompts us to create an invoice, or we can choose I will do it later.